Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering the Wh1000xm2 off and laying it cups up on a soft cloth. This prevents scuffs while you work. Next, firmly grip the ear cup and locate the seam where the pad meets the housing. Using your thumb or a plastic pry tool, gently press and pull the outer rim of the pad away from the cup in small sections so the retainer starts to pop free. Keep steady pressure. Rushing can tear the foam or plastic retainer. Once the pad edge is lifted, continue peeling it evenly around the ear cup. Take your time so the hidden plastic retainer unclips rather than breaking. As you remove the pad, observe how the foam and fabric are seated and whether adhesive was used. This tells you how the new pad will align. If clips catch, use tweezers to unhook them one at a time. Make sure no torn foam or leftover glue stays on the retainer. A clean surface ensures a flush fit for the replacement pad. To install, orient the new pad the same way the old one came off, fabric outward, and any seam matching the cup notch. Then start tucking the rim into the retainer at one point. Slowly rotate and stretch the pad evenly while pressing the rim into the retainer so each clip snaps. Uneven tension creates gaps or warped fit. Once fully seated, give the pad a firm press all around and wear the headset to confirm comfort and seal. If sound or comfort feels off, reseat the pad or check for trapped fabric or misaligned clips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.